We'll guide you through how to add keyframe into text in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow this tutorial. Then double-click the application to open it, and wait until the main interface appears on your screen. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project workspace for editing. Click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm. After that, click the Stock Media menu to access Build and Media options. Then scroll down until you find the desired media that you want to use as a background. Click it to preview the media and make sure it fits your project. Once you are satisfied, click the plus icon, then choose Keep Project Settings to add it to the timeline. Duplicate the video in the timeline until it is enough to be used as a continuous background. Next, select the Titles menu to display available text options. Choose Default Text, then click the plus icon to add it to the timeline. Adjust the timeline so the text is placed above the background and matches the duration of the background motion. Make sure the text layer is selected in the timeline before editing. Then go to the right panel and select the text panel to customize the content. Change the text to add keyframe into text. After that, adjust the size and apply any preset style as needed to improve its appearance. Scroll down and find the compositing section, then add a keyframe and set the opacity to 0 so the text is invisible at the beginning. Move the timeline to second 3, then add another keyframe and change the opacity to create a fade in effect. Preview the result to see the text fade in animation clearly. Next, find the transform section to continue animating the text. Move the timeline to second 6, add a keyframe, and keep the same position to maintain stability. Then move the timeline to second 9, add another keyframe, and reduce the text size to create a scaling effect. You can also use the same method to move the text position if needed for additional motion. After that, review the result, and the keyframe animation in text has been successfully added.